maybe it's a monster. I'm hiding under the sheets. I don't want to face my fears. It's deep and it's so crazy. I don't know what to do. It's okay, darling, don't you worry. We're all scared sometimes. Sometimes it's your imagination and
Good job!
Daddy, Daddy, how do you feel? Maybe, Daddy is ill. I'm a doctor, I will check what's wrong. You will get better soon. The doctor knows what to do if someone feels bad. The doctor can help you. Come on, a doctor check. There's no need to be afraid. No, no. The doctor is kind and good. Sharky.
Oh, what?
Misbehaving. Somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. Police officer is on the
Whoa!
way. Police officer will save the day. Who made all this mess? So no, you're acting no good.
Whoa!
Magic stars, wow,
Ah.
a whole new world you hide inside. Adventure awaits on the other side. Let's go now and enjoy the ride. Dragons fly up so high, high, high. Eggs falling from the sky, sky, sky.
Wow!
Bye-bye.
Woohoo! Yeah! Aha!
Always be nice to your friends. You don't have to be mean. You can share and play. Sometimes words can hurt and make your friend unhappy. Sharing is caring. Helping a friend feels so
Wow!
great. Here you are,
Woohoo!
my little. When everyone
Fantastic!
is happy.
Hello?
Yeah!
Woohoo! Whoa!
Oh!
Ah.
Oh no!
Toothbrush and some toothpaste, please.
Oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules clear. Brush your teeth every day. Do it carefully.
Wow!
Brush your teeth.
Excellent!
strawberry. Strawberry, strawberry, where are you? I am strawberry.
Wow.
Do 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 do.
Oh.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. I will make you giggle. La la la. Let's have fun a little.
You are. He is.
Tickle, tickle.
We are.
Tickly, tickly, tickle. I know what you need. You should call the doctor, please. He will be here. I know what you need. You should call the doctor, quick.
Wow.
Doctor, I need your help. And then the sirens ringing. Help is around the corner. You will be safe and sound. Don't you worry, you will be alright. The doctor, can you help me please? The doctor helps you cure disease. The doctors, they are kind and smart.
Monday?
If you're not feeling well, doctors will always help.
Tuesday?
Oh no, I can smell the smoke. My kitchen is on fire. Can somebody, can somebody, please? I know. Silly Santa lost his beard. We have to help him out. Santa needs a beard. Santa needs a beard.
Help, 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 that's not my beard.
Santa needs a beard. Santa needs a beard.
Help, 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 that's not my beard. I need my beard, I need my beard.
Aha.
Little
Wow.
friend, help me find.
Bumblebee buzzing with me. Oh no,
Oh
mommy,
no.
help me please. My leg is so itchy, I want to scratch. My
No,
leg
no.
is so itchy,
Stop.
I can't stop. Want to scratch your leg like this. Magic cream is what we need. Cream one kiss and count to 3.
Aha.
1, 2, 3.
Ha.
Thank you, mommy. I was relaxing at the beach. The warm sun feels so nice. But suddenly I look around. A monster from the sea trying to catch me now. Sea monster, oh no, no, no. He's so angry, oh no, no, no. Under the sea, oh no, no, no. He's running away.
Wow.
He must be somewhere near. La 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 la.
Oh.
Oh, someone is misbehaving. Oh, somebody made a mess.
What?
Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, oh yes. Police officer is on the way. Police officer will save the day. Who made all this mess around? Oh no,
whoa.
you're acting no good.
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Nobody can get me.
Oh, gee,
Ew.
don't worry, she
Yeah. Uh-huh. Wow.
so yes.
Aha. Hey, girl. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah.
I'm having so much fun.
Fantastic. Hey, girl.
Nobody can
Woo-hoo-hoo.
get me.
Aw.
Yummy apple, let's take a bite. Get here, bud, it's eating my mouth. With a pencil, we will draw a nice color. Here you go. Wow!
Oh no! What's going on?
Where's my soda going? Oh, no, don't disappear, please. What kind of witchcraft is this?
Wow! Whoa! Fantastic!
Healthy, yummy snacks fell on the ground. Help me carry them, pretty please. A super railway will carry everything. Puzzle game is
Whoa!
but it can be so hard.
Yeah! Monocero!
Baby, don't you worry, we will solve it
Cygnus.
right away. Solve the
Lyra?
puzzle just like
Cassiopeia! Ursa Major! Yeah! Yes!
Blue color, he must be my friend. My friend is blue. Peekaboo. Oh no, what is happening? I'm so sad. My colors are gone. Help me out.
Wow!
Colors, colors of the world. Orange, red, and yellow. Colors, colors of the world. Green, pink, blue, a rainbow.
Upset. Sad. Fine. Good. Happy.
Hey!
Let's go!